In this video, you can learn how to solve the HP LaserJet M404dn printer half-page printing problem. I explain how I diagnosed and repaired this fault using my previous experience in printer troubleshooting. The video shows the steps I followed to identify the cause of the issue and restore the printer to normal operation. The toner cartridge is not very old, and the optical conductor, drum, appears to be in good condition. Therefore, it is unlikely that the toner or drum is causing the fault. My next suspicion was the optical scanner assembly, as it is directly involved in the image formation process. I suspected that the rotating mirror inside the laser scanner unit might be intermittently sticking or failing to reach its correct operating speed. To confirm this, I disassembled the scanner unit for inspection. During the inspection, I thought that the rotating mirror mechanism was not operating smoothly, which could explain the printing fault. An unstable square mirror rotation can cause image distortion, missing print areas, or half-page printing problems because the laser beam is not scanned correctly across the drum surface.
It was found that ants had carried garbage into the laser unit. After cleaning the scanner unit, it looks almost brand new. The actual cause of the fault was quite surprising. My initial suspicion was that the toner cartridge, drum unit, or the rotating mirror inside the laser scanner assembly was defective. However, after disassembling the scanner unit, I found that none of these components were faulty. The real problem was that ants had entered the laser scanner unit and carried dust and debris inside. The accumulated dust blocked the laser lenses, preventing the laser beam from reaching the drum properly and causing the print quality issue. Fortunately, the repair was very simple. The scanner unit only required internal cleaning to remove the dust and debris from the lenses. After cleaning the scanner assembly, the printer returned to normal operation. This makes an interesting repair case because the fault appeared to be a complex scanner or laser problem, but the actual cause was simply dust contamination caused by ants inside the scanner unit.
Okay. The repair is now partly complete. Before full assembly, we can test the working condition. The repair has been completed successfully. Now it's time to complete the cover installation.
I am saying that some technical problems may appear to be very serious. However, sometimes the actual cause is a very small issue. The important thing is to think in the correct direction and follow the right troubleshooting path during the repair process. I think this video is useful because it demonstrates that even a major-looking fault can be caused by a simple problem.